Hey guys, I know it's been forever, but I guess Mother Nature thought the same thing. Got one heck of a storm that came through earlier today, and this is the back end of it, but yeah, it's looking like the atmosphere is still quite unstable. Yep, there you go. All these little bitty rotation funnels just keep popping up everywhere. And last I checked, as of right now, there's a tornado somewhere near Houston, Texas, just south, so it's been quite the storm. Earlier today it was almost pitch black. It's the storm's pretty much almost completely through by now. This is just the back edge. Wish I could have recorded earlier, because I mean it was pitch black, and the little bit of light that there was, it was dark green. At about 12 o'clock today, had to take shelter because there was a tornado warning for my area. So that was great. Luckily it didn't reach all the way where I am, but I wouldn't doubt it if there was an EF0 or EF1 somewhere near. All I can say is if you live in New Orleans, Louisiana, and you're seeing this before 9:30 p.m. on the day that I'm recording this and uploading, just take some extreme caution if you haven't already seen the weather reports. But I've already looked at radar, and what's coming at y'all, it's very bad. So just stay on high alert and listen to the news and all that. There's also been quite a bit of flooding in my area and everywhere else the storm is heading, so yeah, just be safe out there, guys, for those of you who are in the deep south. As I said before, especially y'all who live in New Orleans, Louisiana. I don't know if any of y'all have watched any of my videos, but in case I get any of y'all who check it out somehow, yeah, just stay safe out there. Stay indoors if at all possible, and just wait till this storm passes through. Anyhow, I don't think there's anything else interesting going on my end. Just some fast-moving clouds at this point. I think it's completely gone now. Well, I don't think there's much else interesting to watch here, so I mean, I've got nothing else to say. I've already said what I needed to. Well, other than the fact that that was one of the scariest tornado warnings I've been through, because with how the wind was and all the tree limbs blowing down, I thought it was coming. I thought it was almost right upon us. I guess we just lucked out. So, yeah. Anyhow, other than that, there's not much else I can say. I've said my part, and as you can see, it's storm's over where I am. Wish I could have gone all the other part of the storm, but I was just so darn busy. So, I guess I'll just catch the next one. Well, this is Crazy Porter, Texas Weather signing out. Stay safe out there, guys.